card and they draw back. Okay, the devil. Okay, very interesting card. See, now we have an issue with the devil in Indian culture because there is no such thing as a devil.
Yeah.
You don't need a devil. They can't. Human beings are devils enough, Yeah. Because karma is responsible for whatever happens. So you don't need an active agent of evil. So the only cultural thing for the devil
Karma is responsible
for whatever happens in life.
Correct.
The consequence of whatever good or bad is consequence of karma. So you don't need an active agent of evil. The only cultural equivalent for the active agent of evil is Mara in Buddhist philosophy, and he tries to stop Buddha from getting enlightenment. So he sends bad weather and cyclones and elephants and snakes, and then he sends apsaras, and he tries everything and it doesn't work, and the last thing he tries is, this is all ego on your part that you have become enlightened.
Can you say that again? What do you say?
That the last attempt at breaking Buddha is that you are not enlightened, this is all ego on your part.
But you say you are enlightened.
You should be humble.
Who's saying this?
Mara. The devil. So that is what Buddha at that moment, if you see there are a lot of sculptures. Bhumi Sparsha Mudra, he touches the ground. He touches the ground to witness that there is no person there anymore. There is no personal ego, there is no personality, it is all transcended. So he touches the ground, that the earth can witness that there is no person here.
Wow.
So if there is no person, how is the person thinking I am a Buddha? There is only the Buddha. Because Buddha only means awakened. He is awakened. So Bhumi Sparsha Mudra, you will see a lot of that. In fact, we have it in the pack, we have that. So that is when Mara accepts defeat, and that is a big breakthrough in consciousness for the world. Because of what Buddha achieved, he did something. He did something in yoga. He did something for the consciousness of the world. Every time after that, anybody achieves enlightenment, all living creatures move one step forward.
Wow.
In consciousness.
Shall I elaborate on...
But the devil is the prince of the world. So the worldly power, Aurobindo used to say that the world is in the hand of the, not the demonic, but the Deva and the Asura are the same energy. And the Asura just wants worldly and material success. So if you want, this is a very paradoxical card. It is called the devil. It is the best card for success in relationships, enduring relationships. It is the best card for success in worldly terms. It is the best card for social recognition, those kind of things. Also, it is a very good card for health, but downside is also equally great. For all of that to deteriorate and go into the dark side is very, very significant. When the devil card comes up, it is very simple. Spiritual aspiration should go up. Spiritual process should go up. Because everything else is taken care of. And that is a problem. That can become. But a devil card, most people know, that doesn't mean I am a devil. No. It means that the vibration in the world that is controlled by the Asura is working. It is not a bad thing. The Asura also divine. But the tendency to go off track, the tendency especially to go off track spiritually is very, very powerful. So one must be aware of that. So devil is one of the very significant cards in the inner tarot work, because when the devil card comes up, it means just increase your practice. Whatever you are doing in terms of sadhana, just increase it.
But not in her case, the devil card. No, she was a spiritual being, let's say, just a spiritual being.
Past tense.
Since 12 years, that aspect is blocked.
Devil, no.
No.
Devil, no.
So then, what does one do? Does
Zip.
it offer a solution?
Mahamrityunjay Yagna
Zip.
will transcend all our problems.
I won't let you block me. I won't let you block me. See,
Effort.
in yoga, there will always be a point where you will feel, I am wasting my time, this is futility, I am deluding myself, these things don't exist, I will never attain, there are more important things to do, I should be more mature.
Right.
Yeah? How long will I continue all these childish things? And all sorts